In today's video, we are reviewing Movcan V70 Electric Bike. This bike is built for speed and adventure, perfect for city rides or off-road fun. Before we start, the link to this electric bike is in the description below at the best price in the market. The Movcan V70 is a powerful 2000W e-bike with 2500W peak power, capable of reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour, making it perfect for conquering hills and long rides. Its 52V23.4 removable battery gives you a range from 60 miles on pure electric mode to over 124 miles using pedal assist, so you can ride all day without worrying about running out of power. This bike has 20-inch fat tires that handle snow, sand, gravel, and pavement easily, giving you a stable and smooth ride on any terrain. Comfort is a priority with a 7-layer suspension system and a soft faux leather seat that absorbs bumps, while dual hydraulic brakes ensure you stop safely and confidently every time. You can choose from 5 riding modes including pure electric, pedal assist, cruise, walking, and bike mode, along with a professional 7-speed gear system, making it easy to adjust to city streets or off-road trails. The central color display keeps you informed of battery life and distance, and powerful front and rear lights keep you safe during night rides. This electric bike is also smart, allowing you to use the companion app to track rides, adjust settings, and share your adventures. The Movcan V70 comes 90% pre-assembled, so setup is fast and simple, with tools and video guides included, plus a 12-month warranty and 24/7 support for peace of mind. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use e-bike or an experienced rider seeking adventure, this bike combines power, safety, comfort, and reliability in one package. Overall, the Movcan V70 electric bike is a versatile, high-performance choice for anyone who wants to explore more, ride farther, and enjoy every journey with confidence. Don't forget, the link to this electric bike is in the description below for the best price and quick purchase.